Coming to you from Clearwater, Florida, this is Strange Sights in the Sky. Can you believe my friend I haven't seen in so long? What's that blipping to the left of you? Borrowed my mom's car. I'm out shooting footage. And it is out there in the night sky. I cannot believe it. I hadn't seen you, my friend, for so long. A month, 2 months. There you are. How did you know I'd be here? Can you fill the full screen? Fill the full screen. Do it. Unbelievable. It's like you knew I'd be here. And here I am filming you yet again. How on earth did you find me? Wow, you turned a pretty, almost like a yellowish green color. Now you green. Are you happy to see me? No? I guess that's a yes. Are you like the North Star? What's that loud noise? It's a bunch of crickets. Well, so you are the best thing I filmed in Florida so far. It'll be tough to beat that. Do you remember me? Yes. Got a lot of hot rodders down here on the highway in Florida. All right. Now there's a lot of clouds in front of it, as you can clearly see. In front of my friend who followed me all the way to South sunny Florida. Unfriggin' believable. I know it's you. Are using your cloaking device. You are fading away. I'm running low in battery power. You can't make this stuff up. See it flashing. There we go. See that? Now what is that? A little something added extra for you. Okay. It's going to the left. Could be a drone. I personally don't think so. Look at, because you see the flashes, they're all at different spots. Yeah, check that out. You got 2 for the price of 1. Seeing my alien friend and seeing these color balloons in the sky. Pretty wild stuff tonight. Strange Sights signing out.